and he mixes it just with foot and hand.
Really?
If somebody wanna try, it's for free, no problem.
Thank you.
Why? He used the foot and the hand, he mixes the clay, at the same time he takes the air bubbles off, and he fill you for a little stone with his feet. Look how he kicked well. He kicked well just with his foot, and he made any shape, and even the size with his eyes. He measured just by eye. The upstage for pieces the pottery, and downstage we put it the fire. And you see the brown fuel? The brown fuel is the olive seeds. The middle one is fragile, and if you touch it with something liquid in the kitchen, the colors becomes black.
Wir sind da in einer Keramikfabrik und natürlich nur für Touristen, aber es ist ein Wahnsinn, was da für Geig und toll anderes gibt und was das für eine Handwerksarbeit ist. Das ist super. So, das war die Keramikfabrik da. Und jetzt steigen wir wieder in den Bus ein und fahren.